marami nagtatanong sa akin, ano, how can one be a successful parent? Madalas ko naman sabihin, wala namang perfect eh. Lahat naman tayo, sumusubok lang, mga magulang natin, may mga mali. Tayo rin, may mga mali. Pero para sa akin, the fact na ang mga anak ko nag-graduate naman. At hindi naman ako na principal sa office. They were not perfect also. But wala namang nagpariwala. What else? I cannot ask for anything more. Ikaw ba?
Ako, because my children no longer stay with me, no? I only have one left. I have 5 children, 4 are already on their own. Sa akin, the sign that I know somehow I have been more or less successful. No one's perfect. As you said, no one's perfect. I am not. We were not perfect parents. But the fact that they are excited to come home on special occasions, Christmas, my birthday, birthday of their father, or each other's birthdays, the fact that they want to be home and they're excited and they plan to be home is enough for me. I could already say, siguro kahit papaano, we have been okay parents.
Mga nakagraduate pa at ginugusto pang balikan kayo kapag sila ay hindi na nakatira sa inyo. Aba, iba yun. Kaya naman, 2 heads,